In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a colorful storybook in minutes with Google Gemini for free in a Lego style. This simple guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you can unleash your creativity without spending a dime. First, let's start by heading over to Google. Open up your favorite web browser and type in the Google homepage URL. Once you're there, enter Google Gemini into the search bar. Hit enter, and you'll see a variety of search results pop up. The one you're looking for should be near the top, labeled as the official Google Gemini website. Click on that link to be transported to the Google Gemini platform. From here, you will want to focus your attention on the sidebar. Look for the option labeled Explore Gems and give it a click. This section of Gemini is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Explore Gems section, it's time to search for Storybook. You'll find this by browsing through the available gems. Storybook is the perfect tool for creating engaging, Lego-themed adventures. Click on Storybook, and you'll be ready to start crafting your tale masterpiece. Now comes the time for creativity. Create a prompt for your story. Let's say you're inspired by a young coder named Letha who faces a moral dilemma. Craft a narrative where she is tempted to hide a mistake but chooses honesty instead, developing a bilingual Truth Quest app that helps children learn valuable life lessons like telling the truth, apologizing, and repairing the things they break. This prompt will give the gem a storyline to work with, allowing it to generate your Lego-style storybook. After drafting your prompt, look for the Submit button. It's usually located prominently on the page. Clicking on Submit sets the gears in motion, processing your creative input and transforming it into a colorful digital storybook. With these straightforward steps, you can easily produce vibrant and engaging tales suited for young readers. Google Gemini's intuitive platform takes the complex task of story creation and simplifies it, offering everyone the chance to be a storyteller. This exploration of Lego-style narratives not only displays your imagination, but also offers a fun and personalized experience. Thanks to Google Gemini, bringing your stories to life has never been more accessible or exciting. So there you have it, a complete guide on how to use Google Gemini to craft a colorful, engaging storybook quickly and for free. We're thrilled you joined us in this creative journey, and we hope you'll enjoy crafting countless stories of your own. Until next time, happy creating.